a simple example for you. Here you can see the maracas and here the maracas. But that's strange because the sound comes from the speaker over there and not from the maracas itself. That means that you have a gap between your eyes and your ears. For this technical problem, Sony has very nice technical solutions. First with our acoustic multi-audio and the acoustic surface audio plus. And that's what we talk now the next 5 or 6 minutes. But let us start with the conventional sound system. With the conventional sound system, you have the speaker in the bottom of the TV, and if you have any content where the speaker is upstairs, so you have just the sound on the bottom. So it's very boring experience. But with the acoustic multi-audio system, you have two invisible tweeters on the left and right side. That means that the whole screen is like your speakers and you have a very nice TV experience. For this one to demonstrate, we have different videos, and we start with a raindrop demonstration video, and we switch all the time between both TVs. So the raindrop in two locations, the bottom and the top, but with this one you can just realize that you have just a feeling from the bottom of the TV. But with our acoustic multi-audio, you can feel the sound and the experience. The sound comes from the whole TV. So every time where the actual location and the TV is. To have another demonstration, we have a singer and he changes his position all the time. He moves and dances, and with our acoustic multi-audio you feel that the music is every time there where the singer is.
Love nobody but you. Let me tell you what it does. He saves the day. Come on. He won't come through. He will let you down, but he won't. That's not what superheroes do. See, I will never find no way to love a love like this. Makes my heart beat forever and a day. All I wanna do is make you proud. Let me hear it again. He saves the day. He won't come through. It feels so good. He won't. That's not what superheroes do. Yes, no way to love. Makes my heart beat for the rest of my life. All I wanna do is make you proud of me. Everybody say, I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. You're the savior. I don't wanna love nobody.
So all in all, we can say that with a conventional sound system, you have the gap between your eyes and ears, but with our acoustic multi-audio, we can close the gap between eyes and ears, and also with our acoustic surface audio plus technology. That means that this technology is included in our OLED TVs, and you have two actuators on the left and right side. These actuators have a vibration, and the vibration is going up to the whole screen. That means the whole screen is our speakers. And to demonstrate that, again, two short videos for you. First, the pinball situation. Last video for today.
A scene, why is a vengeance? Singing excitation. Oh come ye to Bethlehem. Oh, come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come let us adore.
any questions? Okay.
Thank you.